I just want to appeal everyone that it's very important to really take care of our country, and we can do that by actually making this country a no honking place. When we travel abroad, we always feel that it's so silent, so peaceful. The reason is that people don't honk. वो हॉर्न नहीं बजाते अपनी गाड़ियों का, तो बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम भी वो स्टेप्स लें और बहुत ही पोल्यूशन फ्री जो हमारा नॉइस से भरा हुआ ये वातावरण है, इसको हम इस नॉइस पोल्यूशन को दूर करें और ज़्यादा पीसफुल बनाएं. सो आई वुड लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू to make this country a non-honking zone, a non-honking country. Especially, the RTO Mumbai is supporting this cause a lot, and to all the people, to Commissioner Sir, to the RTO Maharashtra government for making this effort. So I truly support and I truly request everyone not to honk and make this country a totally noise pollution free country. So all the best guys, and let's do this.